Welcome! In front of me I have ACER Iconia One 10-inch Model B3-A40, and I'm gonna show you how to clear the credentials on this device. First, we need to open the settings. To do it, you can swipe left on the home screen to go to the next page and tap on the settings icon. Once in settings, let's scroll down and select the option called, in settings, select the option called security. In the security options, scroll down and below the install from SD card we have option called clear credentials. Tap on it, then tap OK to confirm. Okay, you don't get any confirmation, but basically that's how you clear the credentials on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.